and welcome back to Low Carb Cafe. Long time no see. So yeah, I have been out of commission for a while as far as making recipes and dieting and exercising and pretty much adulting. But I'm back. Did you miss me? So I'm going to dive right in. There'll be a previous video that goes on to tell you why I've been MIA. So let's get started on today's recipe. It is a cheesy chicken broccoli casserole. And it looks really easy. I've not tried it in true low carb cafe fashion, but I am going to give it a shot today. It's hot as crap in my house right now, and my kitchen's trashed, but I don't care. I'm gonna give you guys a recipe, and if you're worried about the state of my kitchen, then maybe you don't need a recipe that badly. Anyway, so here are the ingredients you're gonna need for today's recipe. You are going to need 4 cups of diced chicken. I used Safeway here has pre-diced or pre-shredded chicken that they would, I guess they use up their rotisserie chickens that no one buys, and they shred them, and it makes super convenient for me, so I'm all about convenience. So this is 4 cups of the shredded rotisserie chicken from Safeway. 16 ounces of frozen broccoli florets. I have steamed these until they are tender, or just tender. 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. 1/2 cup of sour cream. 1.5 teaspoons of garlic powder. 1/2 cup of chicken broth. 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, and I just realized that one of the other ingredients is still in the microwave. Hold on. Ha. And it called for 4 pieces of bacon chopped and fried until crisp. I used the Costco kind of bacon bits, and I just nuked them until they were crisp. And I apologize if you're hearing background noise. My husband is downstairs playing guitar, so hopefully it won't translate into this video. So those are your ingredients, so let's get started. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Then you are going to take your 9x13 casserole dish, and you are going to spread the chicken out in the bottom of it. And I did sort of shred these up a little bit more than they had been shredded, so they give more of a diced feel, but okay. On top of that, you're going to put the broccoli. Probably could have cut this up more, but it is what it is. All right, so that is your base. So then you're going to take a bowl, and you are going to whisk together some of your ingredients. I'm going to whisk. Isn't this adorable? I can't remember where we got it, but I absolutely love it. It's the perfect size for little things, and come on guys, it's adorable. Okay. You are going to whisk together the sour cream and mayonnaise. Probably should have put my hair up. I should probably be using a spoon rather than this whisk. And the chicken broth. Garlic powder. And you're going to whisk it all together. Get your pan, your casserole dish. Let me get a spatula. And you're going to pour this mixture over the top. Oven's ready. Alright, not sure if this is going to cover it all, but we're giving it our best shot. Almost easier to just mix it rather than cover it. Sort of mix everything together and get everything coated. Oh my god, you guys, I'm sweating. I'm so sorry. It's like ridiculously hot. Now, wipe the sweat, and then top with your cheese. And your bacon. Throw this bad boy in your oven for 25 minutes at 350. your hands. All right, I'll see you guys back when it's done for a taste test. Okay, so I put it in for 25 minutes, and it was super watery when I took it out. So I put it in for an additional 15 minutes, and it was still watery when I took it out. So I think next time when I make this, I'm probably going to omit the chicken broth. I can't imagine that little amount did a whole lot to flavor it, but it probably helped to make it watery. So we'll omit that next time. But here is a serving. Okay. It's really tasty, but I probably cooked it too long because I was worried that it was watery. Put it in for longer. I would say probably about 30 to 35 minutes would be perfect for this. The broccoli that was sticking up got a little bit burned. That was good. That was the stuff that was hidden underneath. So yes, really super tasty, but probably omit the chicken broth because I don't see that it adds anything, and it probably helped to make it as watery as it was. When I pulled this out onto the plate, excuse me, I let it sit for 10 minutes, and there was no extra water on the plate. There was in the pan. So, there you go. This made basically 8 servings. 432 calories per serving, 32 grams of fat, 31 grams of protein, 5 carbs, 2 fibers, so 3 net carbs per serving. So there you go. So here is a chicken cheesy broccoli bacon casserole, and it's pretty yummy, and I think you will like it. All right, I'll see you guys next time on Low Carb Cafe.